ultimate driving experience. There's something about the perfect blend of engineering and art. Today, we're stepping into a world where power meets elegance. Welcome to Premium Drive. Take a look at these lines. Every curve is designed for aerodynamics, every detail crafted for perfection. From the aggressive front grille to the sleek carbon fiber finish, this isn't just a car, it's a statement on wheels. Just listen to that idle, step inside, and you're greeted by pure luxury. Premium hand-stitched leather, a state-of-the-art infotainment system, and a cockpit designed entirely around the driver. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the open highway, this interior offers unparalleled comfort. But let's talk about what really matters: performance. Under the hood, we have a beast waiting to be unleashed. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. The handling is sharp, the throttle response is instant, and the feeling, well, it's pure adrenaline. Conclusion and call to action. In a world of compromises, this machine stands alone. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Premium Drive for more high-octane content. What car should we feature next?